Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 for the first time with the Mova Home app. If you're interested in the P10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first thing we have to do, download the Mova Home app from your iOS or Android app store, then sign in or create an account. Once you do, you'll be at this screen within the app where you can view any of your already set up and connected Mova devices. Well, we need to set up and connect this P10. Top right hand corner, hit the plus icon. It brings up the camera so we can scan a code on our vacuum, or you can hit bottom right hand corner, the add button, and manually add it yourself. But it's so much easier just to scan that code with our camera. Once scanned, it'll take you to this screen where you need to connect to your Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, enter your password, then select next. Now place the robot into the base station or press and hold the power button to make sure it's on. Our vacuum is already on, so we can confirm. Just you'll have a solid white light to know that it's on. Now release the hotspot, press and hold the left and the right button, so your spot cleaning and your home button for about 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network
Okay, voice prompt. We're going to let go, tap the check, hit next. Now we can select this tan button at the bottom, device hotspot connection, to bring this up to join. So we're going to join that. And now it's working on connecting.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
So voice prompt telling us it's connected, return to the app to wait for the result. And we have one more thing on the checklist right here.
Network connected.
There we go. It just did it.
Place robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start charging, it means the installation is in place.
Now we can select finished. Here we go. There it is. Everything has been set up within the Mova app, adding our P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2. Simple, straightforward. Should take you a minute at the most.